25 Ways to Make Money Online, Offline, and at Home. 1. Pick up freelance work online. Make money online through websites such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com. These sites offer opportunities to do a variety of freelance jobs, such as writing, programming, design, marketing, data entry, and being a virtual assistant. Fluent in a second language? 2. Test websites and apps. Another way to make money from home is on sites like usertesting.com. You get paid for your thoughts on how well or not so well certain websites and apps work. You'll have to pass a short test to be accepted, then you'll be paid 10 for each 20-minute test, which involves a recording and answering 4 follow-up written questions. Or you could earn up to 120 to participate in a video conversation with a customer after your test. 3. Pick up tasks on Amazon's Mechanical Turk. Even in the age of automation, some jobs still require a human touch. Companies often outsource those jobs via services like Amazon's Mechanical Turk. As a worker, the tasks you'll be assigned can be tedious. Tagging images, transcribing videos, classifying receipts can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours. 4. Take surveys for money. You can make money from home by taking online surveys, but don't expect to be rolling in the dough. Survey sites don't typically offer a big payoff, and many sites are more useful for earning gift cards than cash. 5. Make money from your blog as an affiliate. If you're a blogger who gets decent traffic, you could make money by joining an affiliate network. Affiliates, that's you get paid when someone clicks through from the website to the partner site and buys something there. Some bloggers make a lot of money this way. 6. Sell your wares on Etsy. Have a penchant for woodworking, jewelry making, embroidery, or pottery? Sell your goods on Etsy, the go-to site for artisans selling home goods, art, and knickknacks. Etsy boasts almost 82 million active buyers and grossed over $10 billion in merchandise sales in 2020, according to the website. 7. Get advertising revenue from your blog or YouTube channel. Turn your cat videos into cash videos. If your YouTube videos or blog posts draw a big audience, you may be able to make money from advertising. 8. Become an Instagram influencer. Companies are using Instagram influencers, people with large, dedicated followings on the platform, to rep their products. You can get in on the action by applying for opportunities via a marketing platform like OpenInfluence or Aspire IQ, or by contacting the brands you want to work with. You can also make money on TikTok this way. 9. Monetize your Twitch channel. Gaming could be a way to make money from home if you have a steady following on Twitch, the go-to site for gamers. Broadcasters can receive donations from viewers and even get a share of subscription and ad revenue if they reach affiliate or partner status. Learn more about how to make money on Twitch. 10. Sell your photography. Turn your photographs into cash via sites like Find Art America, which lets you upload your images to sell as prints, t-shirts, phone cases, and more. Other marketplaces for photographers include SmugMug, 500px, and PhotoShelter. Some sites require a subscription but may provide features ranging from cloud storage to password-protected galleries and a customized website. 11. Become a dog walker or dog sitter. Love dogs? Make money by becoming a dog walker. Apps like Wag and Rover offer on-demand dog walking, so you can pick up walks when your schedule allows. If you have space and your landlord's permission, if you rent, you could offer overnight dog boarding. Read the fine print if you sign up for these services. 12. Sell unused gift cards. Make extra money by selling unused gift cards on a site like Card Cash or Gift Cash. These websites say they will pay you up to 92 of the card's value. On Card Cash, you can also trade in your card for one you'll use. Read more about what to do with unwanted gift cards. 13. List your spare bedroom on Airbnb. Renting out your home or spare bedroom on vacation rental sites is another way to make extra money. Be prepared to spend some money to clean and keep up the property, replace home goods and pay towards service fees. And scrutinize your rental agreement before you get started.